Hello friends, welcome back to Alfas Tech, and today in this video I am showing that how to test your internet speed in your PC and in your mobile phones. And at first we are showing that in how to test your internet speed in your PC, and you want to open in your browser in your device, and after in the search bar you want to type like this internet speed test. And after that here you can see internet speed test option from here, and here you can see more of the informations. And here is the option run speed test, and you want to just select this run speed test. And after that here you can see our internet speed has been measuring by this website, and just wait for 10 or 15 seconds. And after testing your internet speed, here you can see the download speed of your internet, and here you can see upload speed. And after that here you can see the more of the summary of your internet connections and etc. And if you need to test again, you can test again by using this method. And this is the procedure for testing your internet speed in your PC. And now let's check how to test your internet speed in your smartphones. And now let's check it on our smartphone, and it's the same procedure in our PC. And now let's open your any web browser in your device. And after that you want to type like this internet speed test as same in our PC. And after that here you can see internet speed test, and here you can see run speed test, and you want to just select this run speed test option from here. And after that here you can see speed test is measuring by this website, and all the steps and procedures of this website is same as in your PC and in your Android or any iOS versions, like in the same way. And after that here you can see download speed and upload speed, and after that here you can see a brief summary of your internet connection, about your internet connection. And if you need to test again, you can click test again from here. And I hope you have enjoyed our video, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.